Welcome back to Taste of Tailgating. Are you a flats person or are you a drum person? Me, I'm a flats girl for life. But today I'm going to show you how to make a key lime jerk chicken wing. Let me show you how.
Family on three. 1, 2, 3, family.
Hey guys, let's make some easy peasy chicken tonight. We're gonna make some wings. Let's sauce them, season them, and let's make them extra crispy. I'm gonna use some Duke's mayonnaise. It is the light, you know I like that. I don't like the full flavored kind. Let's throw some in, mix it up.
I approve this message.
Let's coat our chicken wings here and mix them up with our mayo. And then once done, we're gonna add our seasoning. All right guys, let's make the magic happen. We're gonna season these with some spicy legitimately and some key lime jerk made by Shore Smoke Seasoning. Let's toss these babies in and see what we get. Let's put our wings on, low and slow. I like to cook my wings on here low and slow. I'll turn them several times, just because. But we want to cook them for an internal temp of about 174 or 5. Get them nice and crispy. All right, so these are just cooking and I got nothing else to do, so chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chillin' with my homies. That's all I know. I also want to know how many of you guys wash your chicken before cooking it, because me, I wash them, I dry them, I give them a little massage, I then coat them. So like my chicken gets the works, but how does your chicken go? All right, chicken's almost done. Let's give the asparagus a little tossy toss. And then redome it for just a little bit. The recipe for this asparagus is CJ's recipe. If you haven't found him, find him at CJ's First Cooking Show on YouTube. Yum. One of my favorites. All right, guys, let's try our wings out. Of course, you know I'm a flat girl right here. Look at that, nice and crispy. That's what the Blackstone does. delicious, nice and crispy. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. I'll see you guys back next week.